Wedge Quilt Workshop is my brand new book all about working with wedges. This book takes you through everything that's wonderful about this versatile shape. Whether you like improvisation or prefer precision, you'll find projects that allow you to make your creative mark without math or drafting. Wedges can make circles, curves, strips, and even shapes like diamonds, squares, and hexagons. You can use the book to enhance your work with any wedge ruler you already own. Or if you don't have a wedge ruler, the pull-out pattern section in the back has full-size patterns and instructions for using them with your regular quilting ruler. There's so much that's possible with wedges, I can't fit it all in this video. Learn more with Wedge Quilt Workshop.